Welcome to Vjkhan-Family-Entertainment, your go-to channel for insights, motivation, and self-growth. Today, we're diving into a powerful topic: 10 things poor people do that the rich never do. If you're serious about breaking financial barriers, this video is for you. Ever wonder why some people seem to attract wealth while others struggle endlessly? It's not just luck, it's habits. In today's video, we're diving into 10 things poor people do that the rich never do. If you want to break free from financial struggles, you need to know what's holding you back. Let's get started. Before we begin, ask yourself, are your daily habits making you richer or keeping you stuck? Stick around till the end, because number 10 might just change your entire financial future. 1. Buying cheap instead of smart. Ever bought cheap shoes that fell apart in months? Many think saving means buying the cheapest option, but in reality it costs more in the long run. Wealthy individuals focus on value over price, investing in quality products that last. It's time to rethink our shopping habits. If money is always a stress point, have you ever tried to learn more about managing it? Over 50% of Americans lack financial literacy, meaning they don't understand budgeting, saving, or investing. The rich make it a priority to learn. Books, courses, or expert advice. Are you doing the same? Skipping doctor visits to save money? That could cost you way more down the road. Wealthy people prioritize health because they know medical bills from neglecting minor issues can become major expenses. Investing in your well-being is an investment in your future. Do you play the lottery hoping to strike it rich? The harsh reality: 70% of lottery winners go broke in a few years. Wealth isn't built on luck, it's built on smart planning and consistent action. The question is, are you planning for wealth or hoping for miracles? 5. Avoiding money conversations. Is money a taboo topic in your family? If you're not discussing finances, you're missing opportunities to learn, grow, and strategize. Wealthy families openly talk about money, investments, and financial goals, even with their kids. Open conversations lead to open opportunities. 6. Focusing only on immediate needs. Living paycheck to paycheck? When survival is the priority, long-term financial planning takes a back seat. But even small investments today can create financial security tomorrow. The key is to shift from just surviving to strategically thriving. 7. Living without a safety net. Could you cover an unexpected $400 expense without stress? Most Americans can't, which leads to debt cycles. The wealthy prioritize emergency funds, ensuring life surprises don't become financial disasters. Start small, but start today. Comparing and competing, trying to keep up with the Joneses, flashy cars, brand name clothes, the latest tech. These are financial traps that keep people broke. Wealthy people don't waste money impressing others, they focus on building assets. Who are you really spending for, yourself or others? Or overlooking small expenses. Ever thought about how much your daily coffee habit costs yearly? Those small daily purchases add up, sometimes thousands of dollars a year. The rich track every penny and cut unnecessary expenses. It's time to start budgeting smarter. Underestimating compound interest. Think you need a lot of money to start investing? Even $100 a month at 7% interest can grow into over $120,000 in 30 years. Compound interest is the silent wealth builder the rich take advantage of. Why not you? Now that you know these 10 habits, which one do you think is holding you back the most? Drop a comment below. And if you're ready to transform your financial future, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more life-changing content. See you in the next one. Your financial journey is like a book with blank pages. Every choice you make is a word written towards your future. Will your story be one of struggle or one of triumph? The power is in your hands. Stay strong, stay committed, and never stop believing in your ability to create a better tomorrow. Remember, success is a choice. What will you choose today?